Hello guys, how are you doing? Hopefully you're doing fine. A long time, kind of took some time. It's been crazy, the blogging and everything, just trying to get things out there, and yeah, just putting in some work. So hopefully you guys have been fine. Today I'm gonna talk about some companies I'm working with, and some great offers that are there right now. Just to illuminate on what I'm always out here checking out things and just to see how what's popping right now. So yeah, let's get into that. So guys, hopefully you've been fine. My name is David Mania. I'm a blogger, upcoming musician. I do YouTube sometimes too. Yeah, but mostly I'm a blogger. I have several blogs where I just write about different things. There's lifestyle, there's one about me, there's a news one, there's a sports news one, and there's just a little bit of things here and there. Also, I'm in a gadgets blog, which is a blog about gadgets. And yeah, so guys, as I'm trying to get all these things together, trying to make all these blogs, I'll need obviously things like hosting, domains, VPNs, depending on how I want to use I want to use. So that's how I come across this amazing product, and I felt like I want to just help you out in terms of just shed some light on what has worked for me, what I found great value in, and that's why I'm making this video. So basically, to start it off, domain registration, Namecheap. I'd advise you to go for Namecheap. Very as the name suggests, very well priced. Namecheap offer amazing deals for domains, and they have offers like all the time. Like, yeah, I'm also gonna put a link in the description. Just for every offer I'm gonna tell you about, I'm gonna put a link in the description. I must say, the company will buy me a coffee if you use the link to go buy, but it would be at no extra cost to you. So everybody gets something. You get a deal. I'm bought a coffee, and the company gets a client. So yeah, anyway, so I'm talking about Namecheap. Namecheap not only offer domains, like they offer also, they have hosting, and they also have VPNs, and you should really check out for Namecheap VPN, which is super amazing. Please check it out. Like Namecheap, the service is just smooth. I've used Namecheap over and over again, and I find that I'm always want to create a new blog, and I'll always go to Namecheap, and that's they have great value, great products, great customer service, and that's really dope. Now also domain registration, you want to think about DreamHost. DreamHost is another one. They do well. DreamHost also does good cPanel hosting, and yeah, you should check them out too. But when it comes to hosting, I prefer to go for cloud, and that's why I use Cloudways. And Cloudways are really scalable, fast. You can scale your website if it gets like an influx of traffic. You can scale that fast and immediately to just get your site to expand or even contract in terms of the hosting power and things like that, memory, maybe speed, RAM, depending on your immediate needs. And that's super important, and that's why I use Cloudways. Awesome. Yeah, also apart from that, I have a link which is linktr.ee stroke David Mania, or a Linktree link for stroke David Mania, and I'm also gonna put that in the description. So there are numerous offers I've put out there for you guys. You can check them out. I dabble also in fashion. I dabble in things like all this, just trying to create value for you, and all these partnerships with companies, just that I find I feel like even they have this vision, or their goals are aligned to what I think what my goals are, but also the goals I think most of my audience would resonate with. So yeah, please check them out. If you're out there trying to create a blog, trying to even get a VPN, also VPN, I didn't say, there's awesome VPN company called NordVPN. Check them out too. They do amazing VPN. Actually, it's the best VPN, crazy. If you want to stream something, maybe there are geographical restrictions, things like that, then probably, yeah, anyway. But yeah, so check them out. NordVPN, highly recommended. Namecheap, DreamHost, Cloudways. Actually, if you're going for, hosting, just go for Cloudways because it's cloud hosting and you can scale that. And I actually wrote a post about Cloudways. Check it out in maniagadgets.com. So yeah, hopefully you guys are doing well. I don't want to make it lengthy and tell you I just want to tell you that those products come highly recommended. I like them, I use them, and they'll give you great value. And instead of just going for a product that is just out there, probably won't be that good value, good utility, just yeah, I think there's value in me just sharing with you and telling you that there's a product out there, and if you're looking for that kind of product, then it will have good service to you and it also have good value. And I think that's that's the best thing, because I'm able to shed some light on what really works, and you avoid getting embroiled in all these products that maybe don't work well, expensive and things like that. So yeah, and I should just support you and you support each other. So hopefully guys have a nice time. Please check it out, highly recommended, as I've said. And then even just for future offers, go check out that link. It's linktr.ee/David Mania, and David Mania is DAVIDMANIA. That's my link tree, and there have numerous links for things, even like Reebok, just a lot of things. Adobe, I also use Adobe prominently. Even this video is edited on Adobe. Just go check it out. There's numerous things there. Please do. Yeah, thank you guys and have a nice time. Yep, bye.